So once again, good morning Manan, Edel, Ka. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At ako mo tra ating wedding apo. No one, let us continue. O tagdir kay nga doon. Tanong kita. Okay. Nika, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Edel, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? O kayong dalawa, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? We do. We do. Yeah, okay. O Edel, will you have Nika to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Nika, will you have Ethel to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay. Sige, yung sing-sing na, pakikuha. Mauna ka, Edel, hawakan mo yung kamay ni Nika, and follow after me. Sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. Pag medyo baga. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Semit lang Nika, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Okay? Sige, shoot. Tagtaman, gano'n. Sumang ko kay Toy, kay parents mo. Toy, pala. Anamit payo, kinwish tayo diyan ka sa ma'am. Wish kin payo. Thank you, Otak. Tinulong lang at patiri lang yung naman. Thank you, Otak. Ano naman tayo? Pinwish tayo dyan ka sa magayang
nagsisingkat kayong aluwa. Tinulong kayo kay Redaction ng ay.
Thank you, Tap.
Kayo mabalbalin iklikan nyo ti pag-apaw nagbiring ng bat na ikadua pagraman nyo nagiti pakaitangangan nyo ikatlo Ang mga baybayan, di pa nagdaya yung kinyapo. Nasidag na hindi tumulong kung dua ka na kayo. Yan lang yun.
Thank you. Very good mo. Sumako kayo dyan. Salamat tayo. Dagay-dagay ng natin. Guest.
Doon sa right side.
Mayat ka. Hindi ko na ito nagsinunod. Magdamit ka rin ito. Ayusin lang katapos sa mga lumala.
Rek, dapat kayo mag-asawa ha. Huwag lang. Tapos ako magtama dito ka. Sinulong na.
Number 1 di kalaking mayat. Tinusang nila ko mga kapapa.
Thank you. Tapay nga, wala. O, sige. Sumako kayo. Tama, no? Huwag kang hindi mo naman. Headset. Oh, Mika, muna ka. Namit mo, promise mo, vows mo to your husband to. Hindi ba sa?
Lagi mong tatandaan na andito lang ako palagi. Hindi ko man maipapangako na maging perfect wife mo. Pero gagawin ko ang best ko para lagi tayong masaya at maayos ang ating pag-ibig.
Edel, kama to.
Ngayong araw na ito, pinapangako ko sa'yo na alagaan kita at mawarin lang sa iyo.
Sige, huwag kang hindi man na. About time. Oh, follow after me, ah. Edel, follow after me, okay? I hereby take you, Nika,
I hereby take you, Nika,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold
to be one of heart,
one of my heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection
one affection.
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
and sickness, for health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until
We be parted by death.
departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay, follow after me also, Nika. I hereby take you, Edelwex,
I hereby take you, Edelweiss,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
and one affection.
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and poorer,
in sickness and in health,
and sickness and in health,
to love,
to love,
to cherish,
to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we depart of you.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my soul.
Okay? Nagdam ng hiliman na. O by the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted to and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Alright. Ma'am, naala? Ay, masapay ka no. Sige. Okay? Sige. Sige, ninong nilang apo. Witness kayo ba ito sa among pinumadaan si ay marriage certificate.
Ano po ka? Tablang ka ito na.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Mag-picture tayo ako. Oh, with the parents, with the parents.
Nasa labas. Sige po, picture.
Oh, ninong nina. Sino next?
Sige po, pag